In a world longing for peace and harmony, the voice of Saint Francis of Assisi still echoes through time. His words, born of simplicity, humility, and love for all creation, invite us to see God in every creature and every act of kindness. Today, we listen and reflect through his Canticle of the Sun, prayer of peace, and timeless quotes. The Canticle of the Sun by Saint Francis of Assisi. Most High, all-powerful, good Lord, yours are the praises, the glory, and the honor, and all blessing. To you alone, Most High, do they belong, and no man is worthy to mention your name. Praised be you, my Lord, with all your creatures, especially Sir Brother Sun, who is the day and through whom you give us light. And he is beautiful and radiant with great splendor, and bears a likeness of you, Most High One. Praised be you, my Lord, through Sister Moon and the stars, in heaven. You formed them clear and precious and beautiful. Praised be you, my Lord, through Brother Wind and through the air, cloudy and serene, and every kind of weather through whom you give sustenance to your creatures. Praised be you, my Lord, through Sister Water, who is very useful and humble and precious and chaste. Praised be you, my Lord, through Brother Fire, through whom you light the night, and he is beautiful and playful and robust and strong. Praised be you, my Lord, through our sister Mother Earth, who sustains and governs us, and who produces various fruit with colored flowers and herbs. Praised be you, my Lord, through those who give pardon for your love, and bear infirmity and tribulation. Blessed are those who endure in peace, for by you, Most High, shall they be crowned. Praised be you, my Lord, through our sister bodily death, from whom no living man can escape. Woe to those who die in mortal sin. Blessed are those whom death will find in your most holy will, for the second death shall do them no harm. Praise and bless my Lord, and give him thanks, and serve him with great humility. Peace Prayer of Saint Francis. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. Where there is sadness, joy. O Divine Master, grant that I may not so much seek to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love. For it is in giving that we receive. It is in pardoning that we are pardoned, and it is in dying that we are born to eternal life. Reflections from the words of Saint Francis of Assisi. Lord, Make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. And where there is sadness, joy. Start by doing what is necessary, then do what is possible. And suddenly you are doing the impossible. Remember that when you leave this earth, you can take with you nothing that you have received, only what you have given. Preach the gospel at all times. When necessary, use words. While you are proclaiming peace with your lips, be careful to have it even more fully in your heart. Start by being faithful in small things. True progress quietly and persistently moves along without notice. Even the darkness must pass. A new day will come, and when the sun shines, it will shine out the clearer. Blessed is the servant who loves his master, and in all things seeks to do God's will. For it is in giving that we receive. All the darkness in the world cannot extinguish the light of a single candle. A single act of love makes the whole world holy. Fear not to be saints. Follow Christ fully. Let us begin by being merciful to those near us. May we always see the face of God in every creature. Live simply so that others may simply live. Lord, grant that I may not seek to be comforted, but to comfort. All creation is a mirror reflecting the goodness of God. Blessed is the one who shows mercy to the poor and sick. Lord, give me patience to endure trials without complaint. Start by loving what is nearest to you and gradually expand your love. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Let us begin by being merciful to those near us. May the peace of Christ that filled the heart of Saint Francis also fill ours today. Let us live with gratitude, compassion, and love toward all creation. Pax et bonum, peace and all good.